Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create influencer AI images. So watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we will need just to find any influencer that we would like to create on its images. So either you can start like creating your own influencer character or you can just like have some from the internet. You can use like for example ChatGPT to for example create or just to generate some names that would match some kind of profile. For example, a singer like a fitness model or a fashion model or whatever you would like. After you will need like to find some profile that who are similar to those profile that you have created. So for example, let's just type fitness model and we search for anyone and just go to the images and you can just like search from Instagram or wherever you would like, and basically you will need just to search for any images that would be like accepted by uh, let's go for this one for example, and let's just copy the image and we go to Midjourney. And basically to have Midjourney we need just to go to its website and then come here. So here we are just going to type describe and then we will need just to add this image. Then we are just going to type enter and we will need just to accept. So now we need just to do the again. So basically let's just have let's attach this one and basically we are just going to send the command and wait, and after that it will give you some description or it will give you generate you some prompts that would be able like to give you the exact same result as the picture or as for example this fitness model. After that you will need just to start adding these prompts, these create prompts. So let's just go for prompt imagine, and after that you will need just to type imagine and you can start like adding uh, the picture link or URL, or you can start like just using the keywords that Midjourney has provided and add them here on the prompts. And of course, you can start like adding some negative prompts. You can start add some other parameters of the AI model, etc. And basically, after you creating these images, you will have like the final result, and you will have the model or the AI images of the influencer that you would like. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.